I'm going to show you my 30-day challenge for walking on a desk treadmill. I got one of these so that I could save time by walking during work instead of having to do before and after work. This is day 1 of the challenge where I'm 150 pounds and about 14% body fat. And this is me on day 30 at 146.4 pounds. So I lost about 3.6 pounds in 30 days and I'm down to about 12% body fat. Also, this is my original before picture from 9 months ago. So I was at 177 pounds, 30 pounds heavier. Now, in terms of how I got there, I walked about 21,600 steps a day. All other variables stayed the same. So my sleep stayed the same, my workout routine stayed the same for lifting weights, and my calories stayed the same. The first benefit I experienced is I'm a lot more productive when I'm walking and working. The second benefit is I got a lot happier. You can see this over the last 30 days in this graph. Now, a few things to note. The first is this treadmill was $300 and it's pretty heavy, so you can't just collapse it and put it away. Second thing is you'll probably drink a lot of water and pee a lot as a result. Final thing to note is go at your own pace. If you do too many steps too soon, you might get tired and burnt out. That happened to me the first couple days. And for context, I was walking 14,000 steps a day for like 6 months before I got this treadmill and hit 20K plus a day. All right, that's all, folks. Hope you found this helpful.